Hello my all beautiful ladies, I am Tanrima and you are watching my YouTube channel. My channel is all about 3 topics: beauty, fashion and lifestyle, and I hope that you all knows. And if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because whenever I upload my next video, then you will get a notification. Today I'm back again with another video that is really very interesting, because all women love to do makeup, including me. So we all knows that about the products. Now makeup is a really popular thing. Today's video is interesting because nobody told you before. Now, what is the interesting thing? Do you want to know? Then please keep watching. I am talking about eyeshadow. You are thinking that what eyeshadow? Eyeshadow is a really very common thing. I know that eyeshadow is a really very common thing, but the next thing what I am talking about eyeshadow is you can use your eyeshadow in 6 or 7 ways. Not only as eyeshadow, you can use your eyeshadow in 6 different ways other than eyeshadow. First, I am done with my base makeup. Actually, I have many palettes here, eyeshadow palettes. So I am telling you how you can use your eyeshadow in 6 different ways. First you can use your eyeshadow not only as eyeshadow. You can use your eyeshadow for to do your eyebrow. Here I am not done my eyebrow yet. So how to done your eyebrow with eyeshadow I am showing you. So here I have different shades of eyeshadow here. So I have like dark shades of eyeshadow. So now I am using a eyebrow brush to done my eyebrow here. So I am taking a dark brown coffee shade to done my eyebrow. So as you can see, I am done with my eyebrow with this eyeshadow. So number 2 is you can contour your face with your eyeshadow. How? I am showing you. So here I am using a dark brown color. Again I am using this palette and I am using the dark brown color. So now I am taking a fan brush, fan brush. So as you can see, I done my contouring. I don't need to contour my nose because I love my nose, so I don't like to contour my nose. So this is the number 3. You can use your eyeshadow as a highlighter. So here I am taking a glittery white. So now I am taking a glittery white color of this is a really you can see I am showing you this is really amazing color. So as you can see, are really very good shade. So I am using this to highlight my face. I am just taking the product and dust off the excess product now. How much it gives a glow to your face. It's really amazing. This was the third one. Number 4. that is also interesting, that is you can use your eyeshadow as a blusher. So here I am taking this pink shade, or you can use any kind of shade. Now sorry, I am not I am using this light pink peach shade that I love. I'm just taking the product and just dusting off the excess product. I'm just applying. I applied small amount of product, so you can see I just removed my lipstick. So now you can use your number 5 step. Now you can use your eyeshadow as a lipstick. So first of all you need to do is apply your lip balm. So I am applying my lip balm. Just take your favorite color. Here I am using a really rich pink color. You can use any kind of your favorite color. I am taking this pink color. You can see that is really light pink and it's really amazing. You can see that you can use your eyeshadow as a lipstick also. Now move to the number 6 step. So number 6 step is you can use your eyeshadow as a liner. For that what you need to do is, here I am just using a blue color. So I am just taking my from my eyeshadow FD blue color. So just taking this deep blue color. Now I am mixing this some aloe vera gel. Small quantity of aloe vera gel you need to, and mix this color and add some makeup fixing spray. Here I am using a makeup fixing spray. Now your eyeliner is ready. Now I am just showing you. Just I am applying this liner. Drawing so that you can see, that's all. That is really very pigmented, and if you need to turn your eyeshadow into a liner, you need aloe vera gel and a small amount of makeup fixing spray. That's really very good, and it stays for long into your eyes. So you can try this at home. And the number 7 step, that is you can use your eyeshadow as a, if you don't have mascara, don't worry. If your mascara is over, then don't worry, you can use your eyeshadow as a mascara. So For that you need your black color of, you can make your any color of any color mascara. Here I am just putting a black color. The steps are really same. Just apply just some aloe vera gel, small quantity of aloe vera gel. So I hope that you can see. And apply some and spray some makeup fixing spray onto it and just blend this well. Here I am using for mascara I am using this pulley brush. I am just transforming this pulley brush into mascara brush. So I am just put this brush into it and applying to my lash. I hope that you can see I am not applied any mascara on this eye, this side, and this side is I applied this homemade self-made eyeshadow mascara. So that's all. That's about the all 7-in-1 eyeshadow trick. I hope that you like this and you can try easily at home. So you can see it works really very good, and it really works very nicely. As you can see, I'm showing you, makes yourself beautiful with this one eyeshadow palette. So I hope that this is really very interesting. And if you like this video, then please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe and share with your friends who really can really enjoy this video and who really need this. Until I upload my next video, tata, bye bye, and lots of love. Bye bye. And if you have any queries, further queries about product or any video or any kind of if you have any query, then you can mail me, and the mail address is in the description box. So until I upload my next video, tata, bye bye, and take care and lots of love.